Nigeria's first military head of state, Major General Johnson Aguiyi Ironsi, came to power violently and met the same end just 194 days later. Born in 1924, Aguiyi Ironsi was a seasoned soldier who had led Nigerian troops in the Congo crisis. He took control of Nigeria in January 1966 after suppressing a coup led by Major Chukwuma Kaduna Nzeogwu that had overthrown the civilian government. However, his failure to prosecute the coup leaders, most of whom were from his own Igbo tribe, immediately sparked fierce opposition from other ethnic groups. Aguiyi Ironsi inflamed tensions further by issuing decrees, notably Decree No. 34, that abolished Nigeria's federal structure in favor of a centralized military rule, which non-Igbo groups viewed as repressive. His short rule ended on July 29, 1966, when he was visiting the western region capital of Ibadan. Despite a warning from Governor Adekunle Fajuyi, Aguiyi Ironsi was unable to contact his chief of staff before soldiers, led by Captain Theophilus Yakubu Danjuma, Ajukun, stormed Government House. Both Aguiyi Ironsi and Fajuyi were captured and subsequently executed in a nearby forest. The counter-coup resulted in Yakubu Gowon assuming command of the country, while Captain Danjuma, the assassination leader, rose rapidly through the ranks and later became a successful businessman.